This is the opening screen of our electricity and power title, which is part of the Forwards with Science series, designed for Key Stage 2 age group and ability range, with some of the screens being suitable for younger and indeed older pupils. Electricity and power runs on Textees, and that means you need Textees on the computer in order to run this title. This is going to be a fairly short presentation. There is a full presentation of electricity and power and indeed the other titles in the series on our website. So electricity and power, a short presentation. As we can see, we've got different buttons here. We click on that one to see a simple circuit. Right, here we are, a simple circuit, and this is a flow diagram. There's another activity related there. If we click there, we open the first screen in the title, and here we are, electricity is dangerous. And this gives an opportunity to talk about the taskbar. Predictably, the arrows will take you backwards and forwards. That is the menu button, so we can choose any one of these, and we can come back to that again in a moment. Go back to where we were. Here we have the task button telling us what to do. Here we have the support button. Here we have the research button. Here we have the resource button, and here we may have sentences as here, or beginning and endings of sentences, images, or sometimes all of those. This will take us back to the the opening page. That is an open-ended activity using the same taskbar as before. That is another related topic, living without electricity, and I think we have another one here, using electricity daily. And that's a little bit of information there. If we go on now, everyday electrical devices, this is a mind activity, and if we click on that, that'll tell us how to do that activity, including how to colour the individual cells. And we can think of different things, beginning with the letters of the alphabet. For instance, we could have a lamp there, and so on. And that'll lead us on to further activities. We've seen that one before. Here we are. This is an if then because activity. If the bulb is broken, then this happens because of such a thing happening. And making a circuit drawing, circuit diagrams, matching, varying the brightness of bulbs, bright or very bright, lit or unlit, and so on. Activities for the children. If we go to this one, circuit boards, and we can pass through a couple of those and go to this one here. No, the next one. We'll choose the next one. And here, that'll tell us what to do. Build a circuit with one battery and one bulb. Not too sure what to do, then there is the answer. And once again, we can go on to the next one and the next answer, and so on. If we click on the resource button, we access the bits and pieces that we're going to need to do this activity. And here we are. For instance, we can do that, and we can carry on and complete a circuit. Now, do remember, this is a mind activity. Nothing lights up or anything. It is purely for the children to design, and then hopefully to go on to the laboratory and then to find out if their design works. And so that's completing a circuit board. Lots of other activities. So if we go to the energy section, for instance, and we choose that one, hydroelectricity, and here we are, the pump storage activity. We'll go back to this one here, and we click on any one of these and we find out what is happening at any particular point. We can use the resource button there, and we can do this activity here. Electricity is used to pump water back to the upper lake. We can go here and have a related activity, and here the task here is to place the yellow squares in the correct places. For instance, we could say heavy rainfall. That's a good starting point if we're talking about hydroelectricity. And then we can go here, pump storage, hydroelectricity. And that is just a few screens from our electricity and power title for Key Stage 2.